Hey you guys, and welcome back to another weekly meal plan and grocery haul. Everything that you see here is from Walmart, and then we went to Fresh Market to do a meal deal. Also, I spent roughly about $42 and Jared about $30. So about $70 we spent. And let's just get started. So over here is the Walmart haul. Now, a lot of people do not like these, and I'm going to keep it covered, but we got some chicken livers. I like them. My mom's coming down, so we're going to cook them and eat them. Jared hates them. We got 2 packs of these pork bellies. One because my mom is full Filipino, and she wants to make adobo tonight. And then the other one, we're going to do our sticky pork belly sometime this week. We needed some bacon just to hold us over till we get the Sam's this week. Eggs for some boiled eggs in the morning. Milk for cereal, soy sauce for the pork belly, chicken broth for the pork belly. We need some vegetable oil for the chicken livers. Brown sugar, we needed some more, and also for the pork belly. Fruit and veggies, we got some blueberries, sliced mushrooms because they didn't have any whole ones. We got some peaches. Jared needed some cheese, so we got the Colby and Monterey Jack, and then regular Colby. We got some Brussels sprouts for us to roast. Some bananas for smoothie. We need a ginger root for the pork belly, and some strawberries. And then over here we got the newspaper, so make sure you go and check out the weekly ad and insert. It should already be up on my channel. Alright, and then moving along for Fresh Market. Fresh Market is mainly, it's like fresh vegetables, organic vegetables, fresh meat, all that stuff. They do have a meal deal where each week they have different meals, like either a chicken meal, beef meal, like they have kebabs next week. This week it's crab cakes or chicken sandwiches. So they have a lot of good meals every week, and you can always go on freshmarket.com and they show this week's meal, and then they also show the next week's meal, which is kebabs. And then they alternate every Wednesday. It changes. So it's a really good deal. It ranges from $20, and then I think there's like a $25 one, which is the lasagna one. But you never pay less than $20, so it's always $20, and you get everything that you see here. So it's roughly about $21.90 down here with the taxes and everything. But we chose the crab cakes, which comes with crab cakes. So you get 4 crab cakes that you just cook up on the stove. A thing of fruit. We got some ciabatta rolls, and you can either pick coleslaw or macaroni salad. So we picked coleslaw because we're not really big fans of cold macaroni. And then you can either pick spicy chipotle, sriracha, or pesto. So we opt out to get the spicy chipotle because we already have sriracha mayo in our refrigerator. So that is everything that we got at Fresh Market. So let me tell you that this is a really, really good deal. And then here is the overview of the Walmart grocery haul again, just so y'all can see. Now on to the weekly meal plan. So I whited out the Monday through Friday because during the week I always change my ideas. So we're not going to go in this order. It's just really what I'm feeling that day and what time I get home from work. So dinner idea number 1, we're going to have the spicy shrimp with rice, cauliflower, and roasted zucchini. Next is the sticky pork belly with broccoli, rice, or I'm going to have cauliflower rice. Next is the chicken loretta. It's the roasted Brussels sprouts. Number 3 is the Fresh Market crab cake with sandwiches, coleslaw, aioli, and the fruit. 4, oh, I messed it up. So leftover number 4 is, dinner number 4 is leftovers because I will be working a 12-hour shift that day. And also breakfast, eggs, and bacon. That is going to be on, most likely on Friday because I work a 12 hours also. And then Saturday is usually our out to eat. Now here are the recipes that I want to show y'all real quick. Here is the chicken loretta. I have shown this on my channel before. Here's the sticky pork belly. Now, mostly all of these can be found on my Pinterest. Spicy shrimp. And we're just going to do the cauliflower rice. And then that is it. And then we have the recipe card for the crab cake. So there you have it, folks. That is my weekly Walmart plus a Fresh Market haul this week and a weekly meal plan. I am so glad to be home from vacation and get back into the routine of doing grocery hauls and planner videos and everything like that. So let me know down below if you like these videos, what you are going to be cooking this week. If you have a channel, I will be glad to go and support your channel, go watch your videos and everything like that. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.